So guys, today I'll teach you how to make a simple RPG like this one. You can break through doors and talk to NPCs and get responses. Like here he's saying, "Hi, I'm Mark." Alright, so let's get started. First thing you'll need to do is go to Replit. Now let's create a REPL. We're going to choose the Kaboom template and then we're going to click on Create REPL. After we have created our Replit, now we are going to delete the bottom few lines of code. Now we are going to start adding our sprites. Thankfully for us, we already get inbuilt sprites with the Kaboom template in Replit, so we can just choose the sprites that we'd like. So here I'd like Mark for this project. I'd like our steel sprite for this project. I'd like our door sprite. Where's the door sprite? Here, door sprite. So we got all of our sprites that are needed. Now we're going to start loading sprites. Load sprite. And then here we load our sprite for door. Easy. Now we're going to load our sprites for every other thing, like Mark. Here I'll just change this key to Mark. It's much faster this way. So I'm just going to use this method. Now we're going to load our sprite for steel. So here I'll just Here I will just use our steel, and then same thing here, steel.png. Great, now let's make our level. So here I already have made a level for me, which is here. So here what I've done is made a representation of my level. I used the add level, made a list of all the parts that were needed for my level, as you can see. Then next I did the tile width, the tile height. I set them to 64 as my sprites are 64 by 64s. Next thing I did is set all of these characters to something. So I set the equals to steels, the @ to the door, and the M to Mark. Okay, now we have that out of the way. I also set MSG as a component of Mark so I can access what he's going to say. And then we set Mark's body to be static as we did with the steel, so we can go through them. Next thing we're going to do is make a body for our character so he can actually collide and be with things. That's great. I'm also going to assign him a variable using the let keyword. As you can see, I've done that. Nextly, we're going to make a onUpdate function for the player. So player.onUpdate, we're going to run an action and we're going to make the camera follow us. So cam_pause equals to player.pause. That was pretty easy. Next thing we're going to do is make movement for our player. So movement's also pretty easy. We're going to go on key down. Here we go. On key down, we're going to go press the D key. Now the D key is going to be our right. So we're going to simply move by 100. Actually, I'll change this to 300 because 100 is a little too slow for me. Next, on key down A, we're going to go -300. And on key down W, we're going to go up. I'll just close the brackets. And we're going to go player.move up -300. in Kaboom, remember to go up, you have to go minus. And nextly, we're going to do the S key. That's 300. Okay, we have the movement down. Next, we're going to make collisions. So first collision we're going to do is Mark. Obviously, we're not going to destroy Mark as our code editor has suggested. Well, we're going to make a new dialog and name it dialog. Log. Now dialog's going to equal to a add this, and we're going to put a text component in blood. Oh, it happened. Okay, all right. Let's take out all of this. So area, we don't need that for it. Okay, yes, that's cool. Now for dialog, we're going to dot text equals to mark dot message. Now we have accessed Mark's message. Next, what we're going to do is dialog dot pos equals to have to go mark dot pos and dot x where dot x, and you have to use posx. I don't like the code editor when I'm doing this. Posx plus 100. Oh, okay, actually minus 100, as we want it to be centered. And now here we're going to do plus 100 because we want it down. Okay, now we have that working. Great job. Now next thing we're going to do is destroy the door. So player dot on collide. We destroy the door. So door comma, and actually let's also make a door like that, argument, and now we're going to destroy door on collision, so it disappears. Now we're going to make an end collision. So when we stop colliding with the Mark, he stops talking to us, okay? So on collide end Mark, and then of course we're going to dialog the text and that. Okay, wait a minute to do this. Should run this. Okay, as you can see, now we can move. I'll just put this on a bigger screen so you can see better. And I'll take down my console. Yes. Alright, now we can see. And if we go through, then we collide with Mark, he says hi, and then we go away, then he uncollides with us. So that is how you make a simple RPG in 10 minutes. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe. Bye.